What? This isn't an iPod. This is an iPod video. Where's the iPod? Well, it's actually right here. This, my friends, is my 3rd generation iPod Nano. This has been my music player for a little bit, though I will say, ever since I got this device right here, the original iPhone, I've actually been putting my music on here, and honestly just been playing songs off of this. Yeah, so ever since I got this iPhone 2G, I've actually been putting my music on here instead, and I have quite a few artists on here, don't mind that one. And if we go to settings, general, and about, I have 172 songs on here. But Enzo, you filled this iPod Nano to the brim with music. Why aren't you using this instead of the iPhone? Well, I have my reasons. Now, I will say the iPod Nano had been a really good music player for me for the time that I've owned it. However, I will say the iPhone has been winning points as a music player as of lately. For example, it actually has a speaker built in. Not only that, but the album artwork shows up with most of the screen. For this, the album artwork is only in a little section of the screen, not like anything more. I know it has the song title, the artist, and the album, but this just looks cleaner, like it just has everything here. And if you want the information of the track, you can just tap on the screen and there it is. Now, I've tried putting all the music that's on here onto here, and I was using the same computer, meaning it was using the same library, but it honestly just didn't work. So I just kind of put stuff on here manually. Some people think I'm dumb for using an old iPhone for music. Well, this doesn't have any of that Apple Music mumbo jumbo, just the old iPod app. And I think it's great like that. But why don't you just use an iPod Touch? These iPod Touch batteries absolutely suck. For this device being older than both of those, this actually lasts so much longer. And yeah, that is why I'm choosing this device to be my new iPod instead of an actual iPod. Wow, no way the battery went from full to almost empty like that. That's actually insane. Yeah, the battery on this actually lasts longer than this. I mean, I don't really blame it. Look how thin the Nano is. Wait, what? Well, now the battery's almost full? That's BS. What if I start playing a song? How long until it dies? Let's get a stopwatch going. Okay, I think you guys get the point. It pretty much drained it super quickly, and this one is still at a little less than halfway, but it's still rock solid for listening to music. Thank you all for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video, or maybe you didn't, I don't know, leave a like or subscribe if you're new, become a supporter if you want to see early access to videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.